Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon Düsseldorf, the largest fair, for motorhomes and campervans in the world.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is 6 p.m. and visit the Caravan Salon is closing for today. We would like to thank you for your visit and wish you a pleasant evening. Mesdames, Messieurs, les visiteurs, et avec cela, le Caravan Salon va pour aujourd'hui. Nous vous remercions de votre visite et nous vous souhaitons une bonne soirée. Señoras y señores, es un placer encontrar que el Caravan Salon chiude oggi. Ringraziamo la vostra visita e vi auguriamo una piacevole serata. Dames und Herren, het is 18 uur en daarmee sluit de Caravansalon voor vandaag. Wij danken voor uw bezoek en wensen u bovendien een fijne avond.
I like listening to that, and what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you this vehicle here, the X650 from Chausson. Now I have shown this in the past, so we can see what's new about it. 210 centimeters across, which is quite amazing in itself. So it's a compact vehicle, 636 centimeters long. It's a camper van and it's a motorhome. It is a motorhome. I've got to make that very clear, but it's designed to have the agility and the look of a camper van. So what we've got here, see it's on a Fiat Ducato base. We've got this enormous lounge here. We've got the bed which will drop down onto the lounge. We have got an enormous kitchen block at the back, so it comes with a sink and of course 2 burners, and under here we've got drawers. Oh, it's rather tight under there. So it's very well appointed from that point of view. Toilet, shower. This shower unit's a false wall. Push this in here and this will come out, I hope. I'm trying to do it now. Yeah, okay, there we go. And there there's our shower under here. Ductboard down there. There's one drainage point down there. But for those who are living in a vehicle, you've got this huge wardrobe at the back, and which offers this, oh that's open, enormous I'd say dressing area really, and that is your garage, just where your bicycle could go. Here's your fridge, and right now, so far so good. I'm going to put myself in the picture. There's me standing here with my hand in the air. Here's me walking down. I'm now in the lounge. And you see there's unfortunately this problem here is that there's very little headroom. I'm 1.75 meters. The top of my head is actually touching the bed, as you can see. And I think that's a bit of a problem, but it's a problem for me. But if it's not a problem for you, then there's nothing to worry about. Let's come a bit further down and have a look at the bed. We've got a step up here, and look down there. That's what we've got. Okay, as you can see, the bed will not go any higher. It's at its maximum point. Table is very large. We've got seating here for 5 people and sleeping for 2. There we have an openable roof light, and with the mosquito screen, windows on either side. The window on the right hand side has got this blind over it, which is actually an option, and I can't really understand why they've done this, not done a traditional window, but there may be a very good reason for it. I don't quite understand that. Up here we've got our control panel. We can see what's going on as far as the how much electricity and water we've got, and also of course we can turn off the lights from up there. All right. So, vehicle plus point. It is narrow, easy to drive, relatively easy to park as it's thin. Negative point is the height in the lounge. Let's go outside. That's right. Here's another negative point for you. 85,000 euros it's going to cost. Anyway, there's your garage. We saw it earlier. Thing is, I don't think you get bicycle. I don't think. Well, you might get bicycle if you took the wheel off, or you No, I think even if you turned the wheel around, you wouldn't get in. I don't know. Maybe you would. One bicycle in there. That's what the rear looks like. And if I come over here, you can see we've got a bit of storage space there. That I don't know what you put in there, as it's quite high up. And in down here, that is for your gas, 1 cylinder, large cylinder. That's for your water. Toilet. Don't know what that's for. Storage thing. Truma. Boiler. Okay, let's see. Have a look round the side. Come out the front. So, it's a very original vehicle. It's also available in the Challenger. With Challenger and Chausson is exactly the same, just look at different colours. Challenger, they're meant to be in different markets. We've got the Challenger and the Chausson here in Germany. As far as Poland's concerned, we've only got Chausson, but I'm sure the Challenger will be there before long. Anyway, good. Thanks for watching. I hope you found that interesting, and I upload every day at 21:15. So it's the largest selection of motorhomes and campervans on YouTube. So if you're interested in buying something new, you might find it here. Also, I'd like to point out, because I've been doing it such a long time, if you find a used vehicle, and I'm always going on buy a used vehicle. In fact, I'd say to you, don't buy a motorhome or a campervan, rent it. Then rent it again, then buy a classic one, an old one. And so you might find the old one on this channel, or at least you find out what it looked like. You wouldn't find it to buy, but you find out what it looked like when it was actually produced, because I've been doing it for so many years. Anyway, good. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.
Oh, that's the video.